What's up, guys? It's your man Matt here doing what's it called? Screen changing on the iPod 4th generation. Doing it for my friend because broke it. Look at it. It looks nasty. Look at that, man. So first, what you gotta do? You gotta heat up the adhesive. If you don't know what that is, it's like special glue that sticks and bonds on both sides, and it's like super strong. So I wanna get that up, warm it up real good. Next, what you gotta do, I believe it's hot, so next what you gotta do is get your tools. Order this off of Amazon for like $25. Well, he ordered it off Amazon for $25. Since this is very cracked up, all I just gotta do is just peel this up. Hold up. Let me see this right here. Get right here. Let me reheat this. I'm using an iron because I cannot find a blow dryer or a heat gun. So warm that up. Just let it sit. Alright, that should be good. Crap, okay. Let me try this side. Take all of this off since it's mostly broken anyway. Alright. Lift it from right about here. Crap. Alright, kind of getting started. Okay, so I did not get all of it, but okay. Reheat it one more time. Crap. The reason it's taking so long is because it's not really cracked at the bottom, mostly cracked at the top, man. It's not cracked in a way that you could just pull it. Alright, it's hot. So cracks, huh? Kidding me. Okay. Alright, yeah, there it go, there it go. Alright, get that out. The rest of this out. Alright, sorry it's taking so long. Just that it's not really cracked in an easy way to take it off. Alright, now we got it off. I know it's long. Very long. So normally you would take the home button off, but since the one has been ordered or it has a new home button, we're just gonna use that for something different. This right here, it's not really needed, but I'll probably just use it. Just use this. Crap, it goes like this. Oh crap, I gotta get this debris up and stuff. I do not advise using your hands to get this up, because you probably crack your hand. Scratch your hand and start bleeding. And if you're watching this video, do not blame the video if you mess it up. You are doing this at your own risk. I'm telling you. Crap. This thing's horrible. Okay, so get another screwdriver. No, I'm just get some tweezers. These good use in the tool. Just get this stuff up. Crap, it's all messy and stuff. Alright, make sure that